How to sharpen an image in Photoshop. So here we have a low resolution image. If we zoom in, you will see that it gets all pixelated. This image is not usable. Let's try to sharpen this image and see if we can make it better. First, click Photoshop. Go to Settings and click Technology Previews. Make sure Preserve Details 2.0 is enabled and click OK. Next, click Image and Image Size. Increase the resolution of your image. Enable Resample and select Preserve Details 2.0. Use the slider to balance out smoothness and noise. Click OK. You will then be left with a sharpened high-resolution image. Here is a before and after comparison. You can see improvements in detail. So that is how you can sharpen an image in Photoshop.